Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a review and also showing you guys how I like to whiten my teeth at home. So lately I have been using the HiSmile teeth whitening kit and I'm seriously obsessed with this. So far it has been the only teeth whitening that I can use that doesn't make my teeth sensitive. I've tried even like the Crest super sensitive ones, like the ones that you put on for 5 minutes, and those make my teeth hurt. Like my teeth are so incredibly sensitive, and this has been the only one that I can do the full 6 days and I do not feel any pain whatsoever. So basically it is a teeth whitening kit that comes with 3 gel syringes, which is 6 uses in total, and it's this cool little LED device. So basically you just put the gel in there, put it in, wait about 10 minutes until it beeps, take it out, rinse your mouth, and you're done. Like, that's it. What's nice about this too is once you put it in, you don't have to hold on to it. So you don't have to sit there for 10 minutes. You can literally just let go and let it do its thing and just play around on your phone for 10 minutes until it's done. Like, it's super quick and easy, and it actually tastes really good, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like with the other whitening kits that I was using, I almost tasted like bleach. Like, I was like, this does not taste good. This can't be actually good for me. So this one has a very mild mint flavor. It doesn't leave any weird like residue in your mouth or anything like that. So I've really been loving it, and I was able to take my teeth from a 4 to a 1.5. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, in the kit it does give you this cool little chart. So as you can see here, when I first started, my teeth were about a 4. So not necessarily yellow, but I just felt like they could definitely be a little bit brighter. I've always had pretty white teeth, but I'm also a red wine drinker and I love coffee too. So I just felt like they were getting a little bit stained and I just could be doing more to whiten my smile. So I decided to give it a try, and boom. Here's day 6. So it's pretty amazing. I'm now like between a 1 and a 2. Like, that's crazy. My teeth are like white. Like, hello. So basically how I like to use it is I just take it, I pop the little mouth guard onto here. You want to do about 1/4 of a syringe on the top and the bottom. And also make sure that you are applying it to the face of the mouth guard. You don't want to apply it to the bottom because we don't want to whiten the bottom of our teeth. We want to whiten the face of our teeth that everyone is able to see. So I literally just pop it in, leave it for about 10 minutes, play around on my phone for a while or something, and then once it beeps, it will beep at you once the 10 minutes is up, so you don't have to set a timer or anything like that. And then you basically just take it off, rinse your mouth out, and you're done. It's that easy. And I also have been trying out their toothpaste as well. So they have a day and a night toothpaste, which I like these because they get like really foamy. Like, I feel like they're actually cleaning my teeth. I don't like the toothpaste that are really like pasty, you know what I mean? Like, I like ones that get like sudsy and like really foamy, and I don't know. They taste really good and I've really been loving these as well. While you are doing your 6-day teeth whitening, I definitely would recommend trying to stay away from any like really dark colored drinks. So try to stay away from red wine or coffee. In my case, I just switched to iced coffee and drank it with the straw because your girl needs her coffee. What can I say? I definitely recommend giving it a try. It really is worth it. Like I said, it tastes super mild. It's not harsh whatsoever. It did not make my teeth sensitive, and it really does work. Like, I went from a 4 to a 1.5. Like, that's crazy. But anyways, that is it for this video, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or compliments, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.